Yeah.
30 seconds remaining.
Airsoft DI! Nerf kill! Move, move, move. Nerf kill. Nerf kill!
Oh, come on, man!
Oh, I didn't hit anyone. You actually, I don't think you connected with me.
That was a good. It felt like I hit the. He's got you.
I'll count it.
He's got you.
That was crazy, dude. Nice job.
Nice deal.
Yeah.
Game over. Ceasefire. Good game, guys.
That was fun. Yeah. Yeah, you did.
I got you out.
Yeah, you did.
We got screwed.
It's okay. I got killed pretty good.
I got you. That was the guy who was in the maze. In the maze, and I shot you in the back.
Yeah, you got me pretty good.
Thanks for telling me about that knife, bro.
Yeah, no worries.